either BAM or RISA, kung sila lang yung candidate, either of them, close to 100% ng middle forces makukuha nila. Survey pa sila.
Let's do it speculative, no? So, although it's not totally speculative because we have seen some of the numbers, the private ones and the even the non-private. So once you remove Lenny, it goes down to BAM and RISA.
Yes.
And then it goes down to two other things. Who among the two can get the loyalists behind them and the admin, basically? Because it's going to be resources, alignment.
Yeah.
So who will benefit more from a big realignment, a new realignment? And then the next question is who can get the most number of the undecided also underside, right? Because both BAM and RISA are extremely successful politicians in their own ways, right?
Yes.
RISA winning at the height of Duterte era twice, 2016, 2022. BAM going number 2 in a very tough, tight race with very limited resources. Both of them have very strong case to make, right? So to be fair to them, how do you see that next level of realignments and alignments and coalition building?
So, yun ang critical question. Ang karamihan kasi, tinitignan nila yung kung ano yung situation ngayon na tipong mukhang mas malakas si BAM, mas malakas si ganito. Hindi na tinitignan yung ceiling.
Exactly.
Di ba? Kasi magkakaroon ng realignment of forces. Ngayon, kung ang objective natin merger of two blocks,
Big coalition, yeah.
I'll be honest, I don't see the Aquinos
Being backed by the Marcoses loyalist base.
yun, kumbaga, historically, malalim masyado yung sugat nun. Kahit na itaas ang kamay ni BAM ni
BBM.
President Marcos.
Which I don't think BAM will also want to.
Oo.
Given their family
Yun.
legacy issue,
So,
right? Yeah.
May mga misgivings pa rin yung mga
Both
lawyer.
sides. I think
Both
it's
sides.
mutual.
So, hindi
Yeah,
pa rin. Kumbaga, hindi rin makukuha yung buo, yung transferability ng buong Marcos block. Kasi,
Which is 15% at least.
oo. Ganito yan. Either BAM or RISA, kung sila lang yung candidate, either of them, close to 100% ng middle forces makukuha nila.
Regardless.
Regardless. So,
Each of them will
tapos, i-endorse din sila ni Lenny. Di, okay
Boom,
na yun.
That's it. That gives you 15 to 20, but that's not enough to beat Sara.
Yes. Ngayon, ang critical itong Marcos block. Sino yung pwedeng makakahila ng mas malaking percentage? So, yun na nga. Kung si BAM yan, mababa yung
Mas
ceiling.
malabo.
Mas mababa yung ceiling. No? So, kay RISA yan, being at least walang historical ties, yung na ganon. RISA may be an activist,
Progressive, yeah.
progressive, but sabi